Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something truly special for you. We're going to dive deep into the realm of personal finance and unveil the top 10 golden rules to achieve financial security. Are you ready? Let's get started. Rule 1. Spend less than you earn. Sounds obvious, right? But trust me, it's easier said than done. By keeping your expenses below your income, you'll be able to save and invest for a brighter financial future. It's the foundation of financial security. Rule 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and having a safety net is crucial. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in case of unexpected events like medical bills, car repairs, or unexpected job loss. Rule 3. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting your own business, or retiring comfortably, having clearly defined goals will keep you focused and motivated. Visualize your goals, make a plan, and work towards achieving them, one step at a time. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Rule 4. Create and stick to a budget. Creating a budget helps you stay organized and aware of where your money is going. Track your income and expenses, prioritize your spending, and allocate funds for both necessities and enjoyable experiences. Rule 5. Pay off high-interest debts. Credit cards and personal loans can easily become a burden, drowning you in interest payments. Focus on eliminating these financial traps first. By doing so, you'll free up more cash to invest and build wealth. Rule 6. Save and invest wisely. It's not enough to just save, you need to make your money work for you. Explore different investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Remember, diversifying your investments reduces risk and increases your chances of financial success. Rule 7. Protect your assets with insurance. Accidents and disasters can happen anytime, so make sure to protect what you've worked so hard for. Health insurance, homeowners or renters insurance, and life insurance can provide security and peace of mind. Rule 8. Continually educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, follow financial experts, take courses. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Knowledge is power when it comes to building and maintaining financial security. Rule 9. Maximize your earning potential. Invest in yourself, enhance your skills, pursue higher education, or explore side businesses. By increasing your earning potential, you'll have more opportunities to save, invest, and achieve your financial goals. Rule 10. Be patient and stay disciplined. Building financial security takes time and effort. It's not an overnight success story. Stay committed, make adjustments along the way, and celebrate the small wins. Your dedication will pay off in the long run. And there you have it, my friends, the top 10 personal finance rules to achieve financial security. Remember, it's never too late to start implementing these rules in your life. Take control of your finances, secure your future, and live a life of freedom and abundance. Thank you all for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more valuable content like this. Until next time, stay financially secure and enjoy the journey. Take care.